Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut on PC. So if you guys want to use CapCut on computer, you can do that right now. So you just need to open your browser and then here at the search columns right here or in here, you can just click on CapCut or CapCut.com like this and then enter. Okay, so here what you need to do is you can just click on this options right here, get started for free. Just click on that and then next you will be directed into the editor page of CapCut. So as you can see here, it is loading. You can just wait. Okay, so after it finishes loading, you can just start editing. So if you want to add media into this editor page, you can just click this and then choose the media from your device or from your computer and then click on open and then just use the CapCut as usual. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can use CapCut on PC. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.